Well, here you go, Denise. It's not always rainbows out here in Southern California. It's nasty and rainy. Me and Belle the dog. Belle, say hi. Say hi. What a good girl. What a good girl you are. So, I'm going for a walk in the rain. First one of the day, I'm behind. Had church this morning. And I slept hard last night. I don't think I woke up once till 8. So, come on, dog. So, I didn't have, I was lazy this morning and didn't get to walk till after it started raining. That's okay though. I looked at the weather report for later and I was gonna do an indoor workout, then go to do a job, then come back, but it looks like I'm gonna hit the rain either way. The window of no rain is when I'm doing my workout. So, anyway, nice little Sunday. Nice little Sunday, but it's rainy, kind of cold. I wear a jacket. I'm wearing a jacket, which is rare for me. You know it's cold, but I'm not when I don't wear flip-flops to church. I actually wore boots today. Anyway, so me and Belle are doing it in the rain. It's kind of nice out. It's actually nice. It's not bothering me at all. Go up, Belle. Come on. Belle's trying to go in the cellar on the storm drain. I watched I listened to Andy Frisella's Q&A F the other day, and crossing Bonita right now, and he brought up something that I thought was extremely valuable. It was something called, a term that he called aggressive patience, which I guess is something that I probably need to work on. I want everything, obviously I want everything to happen like right now, but he's saying that it's basically you need to work really hard at it and be aggressive all the time, but you gotta have patience also, that it's not gonna happen overnight, whatever you're working on or working toward, no matter what it is, which makes a lot of sense. I've never thought, obviously I've never heard that before, but aggressive patience I think is where it's at. Kind of the definition of 75 hard, because it's like you got to be aggressive all the time with what you're doing, but you got to be patient because you're in it for the long haul. 75 days obviously is something that requires some patience and will also take that long to change you and help you along. And our pastor in church today, Chris Jackson, brought up, thought it was kind of funny when these things happen, but he brought up some of the what I feel is the same subject. He didn't word it as that, obviously, but basically what he had the same message, what you work towards it, what you're working towards. Yeah. You gotta be patient about it. Gotta be patient about it and keep working towards it. It's not gonna happen overnight. Same thing. He was referring to it in a church context or biblical context or in your walk context, but aggressive patience, I think, was basically the same thing that Chris was saying, Pastor Chris. So I don't know. I thought it was a really good way to look at things. Aggressive patience, something I'm gonna focus on and think about a little bit more. And that's my cue. Belle's going to the bathroom. Rough part of walking with the pooch. So, aggressive patience is the thought of the day for me. We're going to get 75 hard done today no matter what. But I won't post this until it is. And then off to start a new week. So, hope everybody had a good weekend, good Sunday. And I'll see you next week. Bye.